Hey everyone, I just picked up these new Govee gaming light bars back in October. From what I can tell, these are the version 2 in the box. It obviously comes with both light bars that are attached together by one USB-C. This is probably ideal for space savings because, as you can see on the controller, there was a microphone slot, a power slot, and then the slot for the USB-C. That's the cable so that you can tie it into headphones, or excuse me, the external port on a PC, so you can just tie the audio straight into the device. Here you can see I'm playing with the controller, changing the color. Power button's in the top right, color rotation wheel is in the bottom right. Then I just hit that music button and was just talking, and it causes the lights to dance like that. Here you can see within your phone app, you can have it sync music, and then you can custom do the colors on the bars, or you can choose one of about 100 different scenes. There's different scenes for holidays like Christmas and emotions, and you really just need to kind of work your way through them and see which ones you like to use, or you can build your own in the DIY. That was the timer screen, so you can have it automatically turn on and off a certain time, and then of course you can also use Google to control it as well. Here you can see I mounted them to the back of my monitors. That's what works best for me. I didn't have the space to put them alongside, and then I just mounted the controller right there to my desk. I actually really like having the controller more than I thought I would. That button that I had pressed before that controls how bright you want the light. Then of course this is me controlling the colors, like scrolling through the colors, so as I turn the wheel, changes the colors on the bars. But again, so this is the brightness, and I just wanted to really encourage you to check these out. I picked them up for about 50 bucks on sale, and I actually really enjoy them, so definitely worth it to me. Check them out.